USDJPY. I am very sure of that market is going to retrace. I've said that over time, but I'm going to show you the exact points that you should pay attention to and keep your eye on, and also on Euro USD. See market move a little bit, which is a sign that market is about to move upward. Okay, and that is very important. So that is what I'll be talking about in this video in detail. So watch this video all the way to the very end so that you know how to better position yourself in next week of trading, because next week of trading market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside on Euro USD, and for USD GPY market is going to come back down. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content, and join our forex telegram channel with the link in the description, and that will be the first link. Check it out right now. USDJPY right here, I've been talking about market have capacity coming back down, and I said I'm going to show you the exact point. But something very important right here is, you see, this very point is where we see this very little resistance, a very little resistance, but this resistance is very powerful. Why? Market come back all the way to the downside with aggressive move, and then we see considerable amount of retracement. Market move back down, retrace, move back to the downside, and then we see market move all the way to this very area. So what I am paying attention to right now is this very point of important resistance, because market have that capacity of moving a little bit to the upside. This very zone, market is already in the resistance zone, which means there is this high capacity of market moving from this very point of resistance all the way to the downside. So right now is a waiting period, to be very specific. There is no need entering a buy or sell opportunity right at this very point, although a sell opportunity would be the nice idea to do, but we still need to wait for further confirmation from price action, and that is what I am waiting for. Once I get further confirmation from price action, I am going to take a sell position all the way to the downside for a counter trend position, okay? And then market is going to come back upward again. So this is a counter trend position. What that means is, if you are not a counter trend trader, you keep off this position. That means don't take any position yet, allow the market to retrace, and then after retracement you enter the market upward for a buy opportunity, because I believe from this technical outlook that market is still going to move upward after this retracement that I have been talking about on this channel on USDJPY, and that is what I am looking at right now. If you look at the stochastic indicator, which is one of my favorite indicator I use for trade confirmation, you see that the market have already dilated apart from each other on this very the K line and the D line, and then market is not yet out of overbought condition, but we are going to see that next week of trading. Once we see that happen, then just know that market have capability of coming all the way to the downside on USDJPY, and that is what I am paying attention to right now. So pay attention to market coming all the way to the downside very, very soon. And if you go back down a little bit to the 4-hour chart, if you look at the 4-hour chart here, you see market move upward, which is very significant, and then from here market have capacity of moving immediately as we resume the market next week. Why? Because the 4-hour chart is already at oversold condition. So from oversold condition, market is going to move upward, which is very fine. Market moving upward from here to the upside in this formation, in line with what we are seeing right here, and then it's going to come back to the downside. So what we should be looking at right now is a breakout of this very area of important support. So market breaking out of this very point of support is a very key factor that market is going to come back to the downside, especially as we resume the market on Monday and we see the market move upward and then break this guy. Just know that from this point market is going to continue to go back to the downside for that very retracement on the 1-day chart. So this is what you should be watching right now, and pay attention to this. Keep your eye on it. It's very important for your trading next week, especially if you are a USDJPY trader. Euro USD is at a very important level of support. Look at this level of support at this very point. You see the market is at this point of support, and we've seen the first momentum from the bulls with this very bullish candle all the way to the upside. And that is what you should be expecting right now. The worst we can see on this chart, which is very possible, is for the market to create a significant new low. That means market can just move a little bit downward to collect more liquidity from the market, because a lot of persons have entered because of this very movement upward, which is a very bad sign. We need to wait for further confirmation. So what I am expecting now is the market have capacity of coming back down a little bit to collect those orders that have been placed as a result of this very move to the upside. And then once that happens, market is going to begin to move again to the upside. And I can bet you on this, market is going to definitely have this very move to the upside for a good move from the bulls. And that is what I am expecting right now on this very Euro USD 1-day chart. And that is what you should be paying attention to right now as well on your chart, because this is going to play out. And on the stochastic RSI indicator, we've seen that the market is already crossing the 20% line on the stochastic RSI indicator, coming out of oversold condition. So from oversold condition right here, it means that market have capacity of moving upward, okay? And once that happens, we're going to see that move upward as a further confirmation to what I am now looking at for on this very chart. So pay attention to market moving all the way to the upside on Euro USD, and more especially if we go a little bit downward to the 4-hour chart, because that will further let us see a deep look into what is going on right here. Look at it right here, guys. Market have capacity of coming back to the downside, just like I was talking about on the 1-day chart. Market have capacity of coming back down and create the last new low before the market is going to move upward. And once that happens, just know that market is going to move upward, and what you should be expecting to take a buy position after the market come back down, create a new low as we resume the market on Monday, and come up and break this level of resistance. Once we see a breakout of this level of resistance that is right here, then know that it is good to take a buy opportunity all the way to the upside for Euro USD. And this is very important right now. So what I am expecting is for the market to come back down. Look at it on the stochastic RSI indicator. The market is already dilating from each other, and the crossover between the K line and the D line, which means market have capacity of breaking through this very 80% line and then come back down as well. The chart price action is going to come back down with it, and then market is going to move all the way to the upside. And what you need to pay attention to, like I said, is for the market to break this very level of important resistance that is on this very chart right here. Once the market come down, break this level of resistance right at this point, then that is the best time to buy the market on Euro USD. And the euro is going to increase further after this happen on this very chart, and this is very important as well. And for USDCAD, look at USDCAD. I was talking about liquidity grab, okay, and we need to pay a close attention to this very point, because market have capacity of grabbing liquidity from this very point, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right now. Nevertheless, that very retracement is going to definitely come, and I want to tell you exact time the market is in that very retracement, okay, because certain structure need to be broken before we can confirm that very move. And that is what we are seeing right here. So market move from this point upward, a little drop right down, and then market move. Right now there is liquidity grab of the market, because market did not close here, which means market have closed above this with this very candle close right here at this price level of 1.3887. So market is going to, from this very point, after liquidity grab and liquidity satisfaction around this very area, market is going to come back down for a good retracement before continuation upward. But before that happens, we are going to confirm one thing, and that is what we need to use the 4-hour chart to do, which is liquidity grab and satisfaction. Right now there is no liquidity satisfaction, okay, so we need for the market to come back all the way to the downside, and that is what we need to wait for. So liquidity satisfaction have not happened yet on this very chart, and when it happened, I'm also going to update you, because once liquidity satisfaction happen, we are going to see a drastic move from the BS all the way to the downside, and this is what I am now waiting for on USDCAD. And the retracement right here, market move considerably, but you can see this move right here. Market is moving choppily all the way to the upside, which means liquidity is gradually getting satisfied, and once that satisfaction comes in, I am going to be very sure that the market is going to, from this very area of resistance right at this very point, come all the way to the downside for a good retracement on this very chart. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also share the videos with other traders. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.